Hello friends, welcome to Win Gravity, and today we are going to talk about astronomy, and that is the Our Universe lesson. Our Universe lesson, or the Stars and Solar System lesson. Stars and Solar System lesson. So Stars and Solar System is the name of the chapter in NCERT textbook, and Our Universe is the chapter name in the textbook called Science Ahead. Okay, so now let's start learning about astronomy. Okay, start learning about astronomy. So this is for class 8 and this is the part 1 video. So if you look up in the sky, you see a lot of stars. You see a lot of stars. You see a lot of stars. So there is not only stars in space. There is a lot of stars. There is a lot of planets in there. There is a lot of planets in there. There is a lot of comets, asteroids. There is lot of space rocks, like that, many kinds of objects in space. Okay, so we refer these objects, we call these objects in space as celestial bodies. These objects are called celestial bodies. They are called celestial bodies. Okay, these are called celestial bodies. So astronomy, this whole branch of science deals with these celestial bodies. It deals with these celestial bodies. Okay, so it deals with these celestial bodies and our universe. Okay, so this is what this astronomy deals with. So we can say that astronomy is the study of celestial bodies. Astronomy is the scientific study of celestial bodies. Okay, so this is what is astronomy, and we also talked about what are celestial bodies. So we know that the persons who take engineering as their career are called engineers. And we also know that the persons who take physics as their career are called physicists. Just like that, there is also a name for the persons who take astronomy as their career. So they are called astronomers. So the persons who pursue astronomy are known as astronomers. The persons who take astronomy as their career are known as astronomers. Okay, so now we talked about what is astronomy, we talked about who are astronomers and what subject they deal with, and we also talked about what are celestial bodies. Okay, so now let's dig into astronomy. We are going to talk about an interesting thing. So we are now going to talk about galaxies. We are going to talk about galaxies. So we know that we are living in a galaxy called Milky Way galaxy, isn't it? We are living in a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. But what exactly is a galaxy? So let's talk about that. So this is what is a galaxy. A galaxy is a group of billions of celestial bodies, which is held together by gravity. So we know what are celestial bodies, isn't it? So celestial bodies are just the objects in space. Okay, it is the stars, the planets, the asteroids, the comets, all these things. So galaxies are the group of billions of them. Okay, it's the group of billions of these celestial bodies, and they are held together by gravity. Okay, they are as a group, they are as a single group, because of gravity. So they are together like this because of gravity. Okay, because of gravity. So this is what is a galaxy. Galaxy is a group of billions of celestial bodies which is held together by gravity. And also in our galaxy alone, in our Milky Way galaxy alone, there is a lot of stars. There is approximately about 200 billion stars. Approximately 200 billion stars. 200 billion stars. Okay, it's just stars. There's a lot of other celestial bodies too, isn't it? So the total amount of celestial bodies will just go up to somewhere else, very large amount. Okay, so this is the picture of our own galaxy, and that is Milky Way galaxy. Okay, we live in a galaxy called the Milky Way galaxy. So whenever I think about this Milky Way galaxy, the thing which pops into my mind is just the milk. So galaxies are also classified. Okay, there are a lot of types of galaxies. There are different types of galaxies. Okay, so now let's look at the types of galaxies, the classification of galaxies. Okay, so the types of galaxies. Okay, so galaxies are classified on the basis of shape. on the basis of shape, in what shape the galaxy is. Depending upon that, they are classified into three main types. Okay, so they are irregular galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and spiral galaxies. Okay, so now let's see. So our Milky Way galaxy sitting here is actually a type of spiral galaxy. It is a type of spiral galaxy. It is a type of spiral galaxy. As you can see, the name suggests it will be like in a spiral shape, isn't it? It's in a spiral shape. The arms are coming out from the center like in a spiral way, isn't it? So this is an example of a spiral galaxy. So this is also an spiral galaxy. This is also an spiral galaxy. Okay, so this is what is a spiral galaxy. So the elliptical galaxies look like this. Okay, this is what is an elliptical galaxy. Okay, it is like in an elliptical shape. In an elliptical shape. Okay. So there's also another kind of galaxy, and that is irregular galaxy. That means the galaxies which are in an irregular shape. So luckily our galaxy has a kind of shape, and that is spiral shape. So there are many other galaxies are in a irregular shape. So for example, this galaxy. So this is an example of an irregular galaxy. Okay, so now we talked about the types of galaxies. So the types of galaxies are irregular galaxies, elliptical galaxies, and spiral galaxies. So thank you for watching and subscribe to my channel WinGraviton. Stay tuned for more videos.